Toyota was one of the trailblazers in the world of SUVs with its original RAV4, but the company still believes it has gaps in its lineup and it's about to fill a significant one with this new model, the Corolla Cross. The Corolla Cross is designed to sit alongside the CHR in Toyota's range, although each vehicle will have its own distinct approach. The CHR has always been focused more on style than outright practicality, whereas the Corolla Cross's more upright stance and pragmatic shape reflect its positioning as a full-blown family SUV, a rival for the likes of the Nissan Qashqai. The Nissan Qashqai rival sits on the TNGA C mid-size platform, which it shares with the Prius, CHR and Corolla, and measures 4,460mm long, 1,825mm wide and 1,620mm tall. It receives Toyota's 5th generation hybrid powertrain, which promises greater efficiency and more torque. The updated system in front-wheel drive form uses a 4-cylinder 2-liter petrol and electric motor for a combined output of 196 brake horsepower and a 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint time of 8.1 seconds. The 4-wheel drive version adds a second 41 brake horsepower EV motor on the rear axle, but Toyota is yet to confirm performance figures. The model gets a Europe-specific dashboard layout, including a new 12.3-inch digital cockpit and a 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. It also has the maker's latest Toyota Safety Sense package, which offers a host of driver assistance systems such as a pre-collision system that slows acceleration at low speeds and cut-in traffic assist. Over-the-air updates will keep existing functions up to date and add new ones over the car's life. The Corolla Cross goes on sale in spring 2022 ahead of deliveries in the autumn. Pricing has not been announced, but it is likely to be under £30,000 to position it between CHR and RAV4 pricing.